Welcome to CoCo Finance. Today, we're diving deep into the bustling streets of the UK, exploring the world of car insurance. If you've ever wondered about the top car insurance companies in the UK and how to get the best bang for your buck, you're in for a treat. So, grab your cuppa and let's get rolling. Automobile dashing away. Admiral is a titan in the UK insurance seas, known for its innovative policies and customer-centric approach. Their multi-car policy can be a lifesaver if you're insuring more than one vehicle, and their online tools are super user-friendly. Direct Line, a pioneer in the direct sell insurance model, has been ensuring Brits are covered since the 80s. They often have online-only promotions, so it's worth checking their website before making a decision. Aviva, with roots dating back to the 17th century, is the wise grandparent of the insurance world. Their Aviva Drive app can help you save up to 30% by monitoring your driving. AXA, a global powerhouse, is known for its comprehensive coverage options. They have a 5-star rating by de facto for their car insurance service, proving that quality matters. Churchill, with the iconic nodding dog and a promise to be dependable, is a household name in the UK. They offer a guaranteed hire car service if yours is being repaired, adding an extra layer of convenience. LV equals Liverpool Victoria has been protecting Brits since 1843. Being a mutual insurance company, they work for their members and not shareholders. Their multi-car discount can be a game-changer for families. Easier, a digital-first company, makes the entire insurance process seamless and online. If you're driving a green car, check out their eco-friendly policies. Hastings Direct is known for its straightforward approach, aiming to keep insurance simple and clear. They also boast a 24/7 helpline, which can be super handy in emergencies. More than aims to offer more value, protection, and peace of mind than traditional insurers. Their breakdown cover is worth considering for those unexpected hiccups on the road. Automobile tips and tricks. Safety is paramount. Many insurers offer discounts for cars with safety features like airbags, anti-lock brakes, and security systems. If you're not much of a driver, some insurers offer discounts for low annual mileage. Consider taking a defensive driving course. Some insurers offer discounts upon completion. And if you've been with the same insurer for years, ask about loyalty discounts. All right, CoCo Finance fam, that's our deep dive into the world of UK car insurance. Remember, the cheapest isn't always the best. Ensure you're adequately covered for peace of mind. If you found value in today's episode, smash that like button and share it with your mates. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe for more financial insights, tailored just for you. Until next time, keep those finances in check and drive safe. Cheers! Glowing star waving hand.